Good morning, and you guys thinking morning, for real? Yeah, because today I'm going to be talking about newborns. This is Dr. Jared, and we're talking about newborns and the importance of chiropractic care. And as we all know, newborns, well, they're going to wake you up, so let's talk in the morning, right? Grab a cup of coffee and listen to this cool stuff. So when I ask you, do you think a newborn should get a chiropractic checkup? The answer is usually, whoa, why would a newborn get a chiropractic checkup? Why don't we discuss the birthing process very quickly? Did you know that the birthing process is probably one of the most traumatic effects in our body for our whole life? The reality is, if you ever look at a typical birth, a normal birth, the head is turned all the way past 180. And I can't really do that for you guys because I might hurt my neck and need an adjustment, but it's way beyond that. And then they pull out the baby, hoping not to affect the shoulders. So the concept I want to ask you today, do you think that can maybe offset the upper cervical vertebrae? Were you aware that if the upper cervical vertebrae right here, which is called the atlas, is misaligned, there's been a lot of increased probabilities of sudden infant death syndrome, which is called SIDS? And just something so simple can help increase the probability of preventing that. So all I ask is, if you know that you maybe had a cesarean or you had a vaginal birth, but you can think of, wow, maybe my baby's head was turned, why not go to a cool pediatric chiropractor and just get a checkup? I'm not asking for anything crazy. A checkup would literally take 2 to 3 minutes with your newborn. And if you ask any of my current patients who brought their newborns in, or my own children, you can't ask them, of course, but you can talk to me and my wife, they would check within minutes of birthing. And the reason this is so important, imagine we can live a life right from the very beginning without any kind of neurological interference. And I know that seems crazy, it's a big word, but just simply understand this. If my brain needs to emit 100% of its power to my body, what if one of the tiny cables called a nerve or a spinal nerve had some kind of impingement or interference? Could that offset the flow of proper energy and information? The answer is yes. So why do you want your newborn to grow up that way? Why do you want to come to me in 3 to 4 years after you come in and go, he's not sleeping well, he's colic, he has stomach problems, he has chronic ear infection, he has asthma, he has something, he has trouble in school at 6, 7. Why wait that long? I challenge you today, why don't we come in and get a spinal checkup for your newborn? And if not me, I'm okay with that because I'm only in Suffolk County, as you guys know, in Long Island. Look for a pediatric chiropractor somewhere and get your spine and nervous system checked for your newborn. The difference is going to not only affect him now or her, it'll affect every level of them for the future to come. I challenge you to get your newborn checked, and I look forward to seeing you for the next video. Thank you and have a good day.